Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I am here with another sneak peek for you from P.A.M diamond painting. This is a particularly special one for me because the artist is Sara Rose, who is I consider her a good friend now, and she has been a long time supporter of this channel. So I am so proud and excited of her for starting to sell her artwork, license her artwork for diamond paintings. And yeah, so now if you are already a fan of her work, if you've seen her colouring books, I will link my unboxing of those up there. Then you can now enjoy her artwork as diamond paintings as well. So there are already some available on P.A.M's site. And this is one of the new ones, which the day that this video goes up should be the day that, should be the day that this is available to you. Ooh, what have I got in there? Ooh, a thank you card. So, let's open my little card. Ooh, I can see stickers. Thank you very much. Oh, so it says, thank you for doing this. It is greatly appreciated. And I got some stickers. Lovely. Excellent. Thank you very much, P.A.M. I'm more than happy to unbox some of these gorgeous canvases for you and to show them off to the world, or my little world, that people that watch here. So I know I showed the kits before in my previous unboxing, but I will go through them on here as well. So we get a lovely little reusable bag, which I always love. We've got a sparkly, let's bring my light over, it's better. We've got a sparkly pen with a brass single placer, and we've got a selection of multi-placers to choose from. We've also got our squishy to save your fingers. We've got some lovely purple, almost kind of like a Moroccan design. That one, why is the light in here so terrible today? Bear with. That's better. So yeah, this has got, it almost reminds me of like sort of Moroccan tiles, that kind of design. Really lovely. Of course, it's purple, so that makes me very happy. Oh, we've got a little cover minder. It's a little bunny. That's very cute. Very nice indeed. I don't have any bunny cover minders, so that's very nice. We've got our 2 plates of red wax, which come in a nice little pot to keep them tidy. We've got some tweezers, and we've got a moss for boat. So, okay, so this painting is, remind myself what it's called. It's a big one, so I'm not, because it is 70 by 70. So it is a big one, but we will get through it, it's fine. I will also pop a picture of it up on the screen so that you can, of course, see the original artwork and enjoy it in its finished glory. As always with P.A.M's canvases, they are a lovely felt back. We have got a scalloped and poked edge. We have got poured glue, lovely and sticky, and we have got our legend on both sides of the canvas. This is 44 colours in square. I believe that these canvases will also be available in round. I think P.A.M gives you the choice of both for all of the canvases. So in our 44 colours, this is Moth Shearing Season by Sara Rose. So this is not going to do it justice in the slightest. But what we've got here is this purple fairy pixie creature. and she is shearing the fluff from this moth, and it's then going to be going over here to where her spindle is so that she can make herself a new gown perhaps. And then out the window we can just see the view, these big flowers. So 44 colours, and we've got 3 ABs, which is very lovely. So we'll have a look at where those are going to go as well. I fell in love with this artwork as soon as I saw it. So when I knew that I had the opportunity of looking at it, you know, in person and being an early adopter, I was very excited. So this will give you an idea of what we are looking at. These are we've got lovely stickers here so that I can use these on my pots, and we can have a look at the symbols as well. So you've got 1 through 9 is 1 through 9. We love to see it. Moving on, we've got alphabet symbols, and then a few more unusual ones. We've got our math symbols, male, female symbols, and then we've got a heart, a diamond, and 2 different music notes. Beautiful colours, lovely. Obviously, big old pack of this pink here. I wonder, I would think that might be the letter M, which is going to be most of her dress and the paler elements of the moth. Let's get inside. What about the ABs? Right, so this big pack is it the letter M? Let's have a look. Yes, it is. 819 is the letter M. So that is going to be, as I predicted, all of this light colour. We've also got a 939. Have we got any 310? There's no 310. So no black, which is nice, but we have got a big bag of 939. That is going to be the symbol X. So the very, very darkest areas of the painting, wherever you might assume there would be black. So in the moth's eyes here, the shadow on the floor, just those, and picking out a few little darker details. So that's going to be our darkest colour. We've also got a large bag of 938, which is going to be probably W. Let's have a look. Yes, 93 is the W, so that's... I knew this was going to be a problem. It's too big. W is sort of our next darkest colour. So where we've got our darkest dark, W is like the next one up, and then we've actually got like quite a nice gradient going up. So there's going to be a fair amount of colour blocking in this, which is good for me because I like that. And really it's only going to be in those very detailed areas where there's a lot of shading, where we're going to see some areas of confetti. But I don't think it's going to be too bad at all. I think this might work up pretty quickly. Let's look at these ABs. We've got 208 in an AB, which is the diamond symbol. That is sprinkled throughout this sort of shading here, between the moth and the fairy. It's also, I think, going to be, yeah, sprinkled throughout her hair and stuff as well. So that's going to be a really nice accent. The 211 AB is the music note, single music note. And that is, where is that going? Oh, that's in her hair. That's this lilac in her hair. A little bit coming down through the sleeves of her dress. And then we've got a brown AB, which will be very interesting. That's 300, and that is the double music note symbol, which will be the veins in her wings. That's going to look beautiful. We seeing it anywhere else? I don't think so. Oh, a little bit in her headband as well. Is where I'm seeing that. So that's going to be lovely. That's really going to make these wings stand out. I may add a little bit of fairy dust into her wings as well. I just think that will, yeah, it'll bring her to life. So that's my thinking. Not her wings, sorry, in the moth's wings. Her wings are up here. Her wings are purple. In the moth's wings, I think I might add some fairy dust. And I've got some purple fairy dust as well, actually. So we could possibly add a little bit in there. The letter G is 550. Well, that's going to be her arm colour, the darkest shade in her arm. I know I've got a 550 in a fairy dust, which is why I'm thinking about that. But yeah, there's lots of options if you wanted to add a bit more bling to this. Although as it's charted, I think what they've done with the colours is really nice. I really love this artwork. I love the fact that it is telling a story. Yeah, it's really lovely. So, yes, hopefully you are interested in this too. I will pop up some other images of Sara's artwork that I know are already available, so that if this isn't your cup of tea, there are other things to go and check out. Her art style is really very varied. We've got these sort of very illustrative images that are not dissimilar from what she's done for her colouring books beforehand. And then she's got some very sort of old masters style artworks as well. So I'm very excited for her to have this opportunity to have her artwork turned into diamond paintings. And I am going to be talking about it a lot, so I do apologise. But once again, huge thanks to Pam for giving me the opportunity to unbox this and share it with you. I have one P.A.M canvas that I'm about to kit up and get on with, which is the last sneak peek that I shared with you. In May, there is an event for anything that's in the sky. Moths fly, so that would work for that. Oh, that's a lot of drills that I've got to contend with now. Not quite as many huge bags as last time though. But as soon as this canvas is available on the website, I will make sure that links are down below in the description for you. In the meantime, I will leave a link just to Pam's website directly so that you can go and have a mooch around and see what you can find. There really is something for everybody there. So do go and take a look. All that remains to be said is to thank those of you that support me over on Patreon and here as channel members. You guys are wonderful. Thank you so much. And of course, if you would like to join them, you can do so by clicking on the link down below. Instructions are there, and it is from just 99p per month, and I will send you some stickers. So that is all from me for today. Again, a massive congratulations and big love to Sara Rose. I'm in awe of what you've achieved. And I wish you nothing but the very best. I hope everybody goes and buys your artwork. So with that being said, I'm going to leave this here, and until next time, stay crafty.